Hi boys and girls, Miss Gemma here, how are you? In today's lesson we're going to learn about prefixes. What's a prefix?
Prefix.
Okay, so what is a prefix? A prefix is part of grammar. A prefix is a group of letters that goes at the front of a base word. By doing this, we change the meaning and the spelling of the word. So we've got pre-fix, prefix. Pre being before the word, fix being the base word. I'll just put you down here. Let's have a look at some examples with adding dis and in. Okay, so our first example, boys and girls, is dis, D-I-S. So by adding dis, we change the meaning of the word to mean not or opposite of. Let's have a look at some examples. So we've got disagree, disagree. So meaning not to agree with something, or someone for that matter. Put it in a sentence. I disagree with your decision to wear those shorts to the party. Okay, next one. Dishonest, dishonest. Meaning not to be truthful. Sentence. The little girl was dishonest about eating all the cake. I hope it was a good cake, boys and girls. Discount, discount. So, not the full cost of something. In a sentence, the store has discounts on televisions this week. I wonder if Miss Gemma needs anything. Can't be thinking about that now. Okay. Next one, dislike, dislike. Meaning not to like something. In a sentence, I dislike the painting on the wall. It's terrible, boys and girls. And disappear, disappear. So, not to be visible anymore. So Miss Gemma is going to So our second example for this lesson is in, I-N. By adding this to the front of a base word, it means not or into. Okay, so our first one is incorrect, incorrect. So meaning not right. In a sentence, the answer to this question is incorrect. And that's okay, boys and girls. Okay. Incomplete, incomplete, meaning not finished. So, your work is incomplete. Please finish it before lunch today. I hope you don't do that very often, boys and girls. Next one, independent, independent. So, not able to work with others. So my sentence is, the students should be independently working on their projects. Next one. So, inaction, inaction, meaning not doing any actions. That's a bit hard, I think. The students' inaction was visible to the parents on the stage. That can't be a good look, boys and girls. And our last example, informal, informal, meaning not formal or fancy. So in a sentence, we're having an informal dinner on Friday night. Would you like to join, boys and girls? So boys and girls, what's a prefix? A prefix is a group of letters that can be added to the front of a base word. By doing this, we change the spelling and the meaning of the word. Okay, boys and girls, let's have a talk about the activity or the worksheet for this lesson. So in the first part, you need to put the right prefix with the right word, so dis or in. In the second part, you need to choose the right prefix for the word to make the sentence make sense. You did an amazing job, boys and girls. Now that you've finished learning about the prefixes dis and in, your next lesson is to learn some more prefixes, and un. I'll see you in our next lesson. Hey boys and girls, this is Miss Gemma. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button under me and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram pages to stay up to date on everything we post. So boys and girls, I will see you in our next lesson.